This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry in medical school. First, focus on grasping the core concepts before diving into rote memorization. It's crucial to understand the why behind biochemical processes. Next, always try to link these pathways to their clinical significance. This makes the information more meaningful and easier to recall. Finally, incorporate active recall techniques, such as using flashcards or answering practice questions, to solidify your learning and identify knowledge gaps. To truly master biochemistry, drawing out metabolic pathways is incredibly effective. Repeatedly sketching these complex diagrams helps you visualize and understand the flow of reactions. Pay special attention to the rate-limiting enzymes and crucial regulatory points within each pathway, as these are often high-yield areas. Don't hesitate to form study groups. Discussing challenging topics with classmates can provide new perspectives and clarify any lingering confusion. Biochemistry becomes much more engaging when you connect it to clinical practice. Actively relate biochemical deficiencies or excesses to specific disease presentations you might encounter in patients. Reviewing patient cases that illustrate metabolic disorders can bring the abstract concepts to life. Furthermore, understanding how various drugs interact with and influence biochemical processes is vital for your future medical career, providing a practical application for your knowledge. For long-term retention, consistent review of high-yield biochemistry topics is essential to prevent knowledge decay. Make extensive use of question banks. Practicing with a wide variety of questions will prepare you thoroughly for exams and reinforce your understanding. Remember, staying hydrated is also key for optimal focus during long study sessions. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals to support your medical school journey. Keep up the great work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.